Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore. However, it has now grown into a massive online retailer, with millions of products sold every day. Amazon offers its customers a wide range of products and services, including Prime Video, Kindle, Amazon Music, and Alexa. With over 200 million users, Amazon is one of the most popular online marketplaces in the world. Amazon has made shopping easier for customers. They offer several features, including customer reviews, product descriptions, and product comparison tools. These features make it easier for customers to make informed decisions before purchasing any product. Also, Amazon offers fast and reliable delivery options, including same-day delivery in some cities. Now let's talk about the top categories on Amazon. Amazon offers a wide range of categories that include electronics, books, clothing, home and kitchen, beauty, toys and games, health, and many more. However, some categories are more popular than others. In this section, we will explore the top categories on Amazon. Electronics are one of the most popular categories on Amazon. Customers can find a wide range of electronics, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, TVs, and gaming consoles. Amazon has a reputation for offering the latest and most popular electronic devices at competitive prices. Some of the best-selling electronic products on Amazon include the iPhone, Samsung Galaxy phones, Apple iPads, and the Amazon Echo Dot. Books have always been a popular category on Amazon since the company started as an online bookstore. Amazon offers a wide range of books, including fiction, non-fiction, biographies, and textbooks. Customers can also buy e-books and audiobooks on Amazon. Amazon's Kindle is a popular e-reader that allows customers to read books on the go. Some of the best-selling books on Amazon include Atomic Habits by James Clear, The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman, and The Body Keeps the Score by Bessel van der Kolk. The home and kitchen category is another popular category on Amazon. Customers can find a wide range of products for their homes and kitchens, including furniture, home decor, kitchen appliances, and cookware. Some of the best-selling products in this category include the Instant Pot, KitchenAid stand mixer, and the Keurig coffee maker. Beauty is a popular category on Amazon. Customers can find a wide range of beauty products, including skincare, makeup, hair care, and fragrance. Amazon offers a variety of products from high-end brands to more affordable ones. Some of the best-selling beauty products on Amazon include the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, the True Skin Vitamin C Serum, and the Mario Badescu Facial Spray. The toys and games category is popular, especially during the holiday season. Amazon offers a wide range of toys and games, including board games, puzzles, dolls, action figures, and video games. Customers can find popular brands like Lego, Barbie, and Hasbro. Some of the best-selling toys and games on Amazon include the Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon, the Exploding Kittens card game, and the Nintendo Switch. You can start working on Amazon and earn good profit now. Thank you for watching.